y'all. I know I look like an absolute bum right now, but I'm gonna go pick up more packages courtesy of request shipping as usual. I'm not having a great day. My birthday's tomorrow and I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling it at all. I'm just so sad and miserable, and it's just a combination of a lot of things. But anyways, let's just go pick up this package. Ta-da! Alright guys, so I'm actually hold on. I'm actually going to Knutsford right now. The packages I just picked up are some stuff for my dad. So yeah, I'm gonna send them off to him now, and then I'm gonna go back home. I don't really want to go back home right now. It's been a friggin' going a long time. I'm so out of it. Oh my gosh, I really wish I was in the mood. I really wish I was having a good day. Should be happy, right? It's actually depressing.
Happy birthday, it's in.
I got it. Hi guys.
Yeah. Right.
Alright. Get him now. Hello Jamaica. 3, 2, 1. Hello Jamaica. My name is Harry Anderson and I am representing Always Stay Free Pad. In the future, I would like to become. In the future. I would like to become a criminal lawyer. Currently, I have a bachelor's degree in marketing and a double minor in psychology and human resources. However, I want to pursue.
Listen, it's not a joke.
I wanted to be a surgeon.
I didn't want to be a lawyer. I wanted to be forensic. But every time I see blood, I'm like, what? I'm like, never
Kevin,
mind.
what did you want to be when you were growing up?
Wanted to be a human biologist.
Wow, what are you now?
What do you want to be? A DJ.
When you were younger, what did you want to be?
I wanted to be a teacher.
Right.
I taught for 5 years and decided that was not for me.
At least you did go into the teaching. At least you did.
Yeah, at least you tried.
All right. What did you want to be?
Okay, so I wanted to become a lawyer or a pediatrician. However, I am now influencer. I'm a TikToker. He's a traveler. He's a traveler. Vlogger.
Who did you want to become?
I wanted to become a nurse. Right. I'm now a beauty queen.
Period. My dear.
Yes. And a law student. Yeah, period.
What did you want to become, Miss Global?
I wanted to become a surgeon. I mean, I don't have any sciences, so no surgeon here. I am a beauty queen / investment banker / IR student. Yeah.
What did you want to become when you were younger?
To be honest though, I want to become a pilot though.
Whoa. And you're a photographer.
Funny thing is my stepbrother is a pilot.
Wow.
Wait, let me tell you. One of my stepbrother is a pilot, one's a doctor, one study become a dentist. Here I am, a photographer.
But guess what? It's what them start with P.
Oh my God, you're looking at the right side. Listen, I learn from my young age that life not turn out the way I want.
Joel.
Right, so people are going to best weekend ever. Courtesy of Babe.
Right.
Come to our cooler, we'll have calico chocolate.
No, courtesy of best weekend ever.
Right.
You look like I'm being bad best weekend ever. I'm free, people free.
So much.
Hey, you have a rich love black though.
Yeah, but I don't need to know.
She have the rich love black.
She rich.
24.
No man, she have the rich love black. 24.
24.
From the king chair coming here. It's the war. You're come.
I want you
Why am I wrong?
something, I'm gonna shoot them again.
Yeah.
When they stress
When
me out.
it's- yeah,
Especially when
right.
Shelby stress me out.
I never
I be like,
stress
with my
you.
camera in my hand. I'm like, Shelby do the pose and she messed up. Shelby do the pose and Shelby.
I never said you! Jesus!
But I'm going on ball. Especially when women are giving
Ref ball.
My friend, right? Hello, I found the kettle outside.
You never find the kettle outside.
Someone
you run out to the kettle. I see you run out with the kettle. I have it on camera say run out. Where am I run? You run out. So the kettle is here.
The find the man with the kettle.
You run outside with the kettle. Yes?
That's the bwoyatingz. Who have the kettle now?
See that? What the kettle?
No, pass me kettle. Hello, touch it, pass me kettle. I don't want to tear up my clothes out here for you.
See a kettle.
Hey,
Look at all of them. It's a so small.
Something.
Take it. Yeah. Put it down.
Ah.
Give him a rock. I feel your fault, you know. He'll make that come to their box. Yeah. Thank you.
Long time, I need a stress.
Hello. Don't bounce me.
Congratulations.
Oh. Thank you. Looking at it. Hi Shelby, this is the vlog,
Yeah.
Hi Shelby, this is vlog. I'm in charge now, you're mine. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Big up on yourself.
And make sure that you
my sponsor sheet real quick.
tell Shelby
The people them say they're not gonna sponsor me again, but I never big them up enough. Taste Matic Kitchen just ensure some my food over there, please. And son, make sure some have something over there. Elago, put on my bottles and so on.
I like this.
No shame. Before we leave and before we give away this Jubei costume, family and friends who are here, just give Kareem and the producers and the team a round of applause. It's often we don't celebrate our own, so why do it when he's above ground and when he's still on top of the rankings and the trending. So pick up yourself, Kareem, producers, the team, Nationwide FM. But I just want to give away the Jubei costume. So nice lady, you with the good beats. Come here.
Happy birthday to you.
To you.
Happy birthday, dear Shelby. Happy birthday to you. More life, Shelby. More life.
Let me hear that song now.
More life, Seashells.
Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
Dang.
One more year, pandemic.
Third one.
One more life.
Yeah. Listen, I make Uko this. I make Uko big. I make Uko, yeah, tight down right. Yeah, the same screens are tight.
I tell you, you don't want to go home.
I'm tired. I've been here all day.
Whoa. I'm going home
May I go
to
for
sleep.
fumes?
Come get fed, man. In the
Me
rest.
no go, no, only know me no go outside. Oh God, man.
You know what you
Y'all know I don't be outside. I don't be anywhere. And then you could have things them, you could have come up with other things them and don't. Yeah, son. No, so the boy, one of the pigs are Pablo, the boy them don't know what he's saying.
Like Rihanna second verse. Rihanna second fucking verse. Yeah.
No rock clot, no pings and Pablo. Yes, sir. That's just how you do it. The boy don't know what he thinks.
Yeah. Guess what, guys? It's my birthday! Have I spoken to y'all all day? No. This is the first time I'm picking up the camera and I almost didn't even pick up the camera. I didn't do anything today. I woke up. I have been home all day. Everybody's been calling me, oh my God, what are you gonna do today? What are you gonna do today? Do you wanna go here? Do you wanna go there? And I'm just like, no. I don't want to go anywhere, but I'm going out for a little dinner with Shaqueal, and then in the night we're gonna go to this thing called Seashells with Kerry and the rest of them, and that is it. That is all for the birthday. Never did I got stress out myself this year. Anything happen just happen, and I am content. And so please stop biting up my frock. Let me see if I can show you guys my dress. I can't even see. It ends up biting me up, you know. Oh man. So don't mind out there, but yeah, this is what, stop! This is what the dress looks like. This is what the back looks like. I had some clear heels, but I don't. And it's not like I plan to go anywhere today. I've had this dress for about a year now. I've never worn it anywhere because I was like, you know, I want to wear it on a cute little date one day. The date never happened, so see the date here now. So Shaqueal is waiting on me. We're gonna go meet her, and then we're gonna go where I go. I think we're gonna go to Fromage. I've never been to Fromage, so I said why not. Before I go, I am gonna actually be using a new Dossier scent that I got. You know, once you see this color box, it's a Dossier original. So this one is called It Factor, and I absolutely love it. I really think that this is my new fave from Dossier. So this is what it looks like. It has a gold top. All the other ones have silver top, and this one is gold. I don't know if this bottle is a little bit bigger. Maybe not. No, it's not. It's the same 50 milliliters, but it is so good. It's a like vanilla based type of scent. It has sandalwood in it. I know it has some type of musk to it. It's just beautiful. It's just such a rich scent. Yesterday I wore it, and people were like, "Wait, have on," and I'm like, Dossier. And they're like, link no. So yeah, if y'all want the link will be in my description box below for you to go and purchase. This is from the Icons collection. Oh, love. But yeah, let's go. She took me out for my birthday.
Period. I have to take the girls out.
Period. As a sugar mama. You must be a sugar mama. Everybody a Carol.
Listen, I can't let my girls stay home for their birthday. You're crazy.
That's a true. Guys, I'm at Fromage.
Looking beautiful, looking gorgeous. Serious.
Not a picture not take, but you know, we vlog for the memories. Guys, this is me. Still trying to edit my pictures because, boy, nothing wrong with me now. I don't know what's wrong with me. What to do, my dear, my dear. Worries in the dance. Worries tonight. Not special. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. No. Good morning. It is the day after my birthday. I totally forgot my camera last night when we went out. Bro, you know, like I'm a tear down Kingston, you know? Tear down Kingston. You see me? You see me? It's after 11 right now. I got home at 6:28 a.m. this morning. I went out at like after 10 last night. So let me tell you what happened. Let me just debrief. I didn't do anything for the day part. I just was not in the mood to do anything. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to chill, bro. Especially because I already had it in my mind that I was gonna go to this thing called Seashells, right? Neil hooked your girl up with a little section. Thank you so much, Neil. You're the best. Love you. Kisses. Mwah. Right? Me and my friends went, and then afterwards we're like, yo, we gotta go somewhere else. We ended up at Ribby's. Go Ribby's, and then my dear, after Ribby's, you'd think I'd go home, right? Mind you, remember I went to dinner earlier. As soon as that dinner was done, I had to go home and I have to change and do over my hair and all of that. Luckily, the makeup was intact and all I had to do was just tap off the excess oil. As you can see, the makeup is still on. This makeup has been on from like 6:37 o'clock yesterday. It's been on for over 12 hours at this point. Anyways, we're not gonna talk about that. Yeah, so after that, after we're busy, know where we ended up? Taboo, my dear. Please tell me why. When we're leaving, and I walked out and I saw sunshine, I was so embarrassed. Me shame. That is so careless. But hey man, I had a time. I ain't gonna lie. Now, you'd think that after having such a festive weekend last weekend after Republic Beach, and then as soon as I got home, I went back to Ochi for a little beach day, and birthday festivities last night. Please tell me why I'm going to best weekend ever today for the weekend. I cannot wait until all of this is done so I can go back inside. I had a time. Like, this summer was truly mine. I can actually say that I enjoyed a summer. I decided to just let go and let God, let loose, and just, yeah, I'm glad. Next year again? Maybe not. You got me, 27, and I don't even feel different. I think some people ask me, like, how does it feel? Girl, I feel the same way I feel every day. Anyways, I'm going to pack my bag. I don't know if I want to take a suitcase or not. Initially, I was supposed to drive to Ochi, but we are trying to get a little ride, so I do have to drive. I'm hoping that it comes through because I really don't want to drive to Ochi. I don't wanna do that. We don't wanna do that. I don't have no outfit I don't have no clothes to wear to these things. ilovesoca is tonight. I don't really want to go to that, I'm not gonna lie. But ilovesoca is tonight. Daybreak is tomorrow. Zimi Beach is Sunday. Really and truly, I was just thinking of going to Daybreak and Zimi Beach. Really and truly, Zimi Beach alone I didn't want to go. But we end up getting season by me and Carrie. So we're gonna be staying at this hotel in Ochi called Sago Palm Hotel. I don't know, my dear. But yeah, let me pack and I'll talk back to you guys. Like, I feel, my pain up, I need a cold shower right now. So I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Ow! Jump scare.
I washed my hair and honestly, I don't know if I have time to blow dry it because unfortunately, I'm gonna have to drive to Ochi. Yeah, everybody with cars are like, oh, I'm not driving, somebody's taking me. Like, one time I need y'all. So yes, I'm gonna have to drive. I've been packing, or I've been trying to pack, and I just can't be bothered, man. Anyways, Carrie's gonna come meet me here. I'm gonna drop off Enzo, and then we're gonna head out. Yeah. Coming on camera looking like this is diabolical. Because, yeah, like I said, I didn't get to blow dry my hair. So, yeah, it's currently air drying. It is what it is. It's a sad day to not have tints. But it's okay. We move. Guys, no worry. We'll get it by the end of the year. One day I will be able to bother, but today I just cannot. I won't tomorrow either, and I won't the next day. So when the time comes for me to bother, I will gladly take the damn windows. This is crazy though. This is insane. We're on the way to Ochi. Carrie is in Fesco getting some stuff. God, thank you for letting me enjoy my summer. Let me enjoy my birthday. Thank you for giving me all these blessings, opportunities. Please keep us safe on the road. Thank you for keeping us safe all summer long. And I hope we get there in one piece and get back in one piece. In your precious and holy name, I pray. Amen. Like up here is dry, but back here isn't, and it's because I had in the claw clip. So yeah, as soon as I get to the hotel, I need to blow dry it. Like everything, I don't know how I just want to cut out the sewing overall. I just want to cut it out and just wear my hair. But the thing with that is, I cannot cut out the sewing right now because that would require me to wash my own hair. Yeah, actually I just thought about that, so never mind. The sewing is not coming out, it's gonna stay. Yeah, it's gonna stay. No man, I like carry and make whatever she buy. Hello? Teriyaki Benihana. How's it go? Anyways, I'm rambling. I cannot come on the camera looking like this. The mascara is so hard to wipe off, like it's still there. Ciao. We made it. Anywho, so welcome to my MTV crib. This is what it looks like when you walk in. Here's our kitchen. Like, yeah, there's that bed. And then we, all right. We have a wild animal. And we have the TV over here. Here's the weather. We've been watching the weather for a little minute now. Yeah.
My favorite part is the bathroom.
Yeah, it's
I don't know,
very
it's
nice.
So modern.
It's just so white and you know.
Very minimalistic.
Yeah. And yeah. That's what I'm talking about. See, that's why you shouldn't do this shit around me. You set yourself up. But yeah. When I come back, guys, me need to do me hair because
Your style.
let them get for a while. Reach me run our file.
Reach me round our file.
Sweetheart.
Cozy.
Cozy slippers. Her fingernail. No big like wheel.
Every time you hear that, like, you bring toothpaste?
I did.
Oh, good.
I thought about me look at my toothpaste and me say, you know,
I
say.
bring my toothbrush and I don't know, I think I don't understand the logic.
Right.
Right, so.
Right.
But I have body wash and stuff.
Thank God.
You never bring
The
that
one day.
Yeah, man.
Me have one little soap, but me brother use it for my face, you know.
I bring face products. Yeah, man.
Oh, me have my makeup cleanser. Right. Like a moisturizer. A razor. Everyone cream, that's how it looks. What's it?
For Cremanial.
Oh my God, guys, that's natural.
That's okay.
It's time for a touch up of my color. Dead.
Never see the light someday.
Guys, I almost got lost a while ago. Carrie's just being a girl while I am over here assuming.
Do you want a kiss?
Don't you touch me!
That's my baby.
I'm over here the man's job, bro. Like,
Taking care of me, ensuring that I'm safe, buying me food. Yeah, this is the life. And you do want to come to KFC like you don't know. It's a KFC line.
maybe string like, they mad me, man. I need them wings.
After what happened to me yesterday, I'm chilling.
I'm chilling.
Yeah.
I need the wings, man.
And that wings me eat too.
Oh, I have to go up. I love soca.
I love soca give me anxiety, you know.
It does, that's why I never want to go. But
We'll just
we outside. I can use up a band, you know. Alright, this is where I sign up. Rich bitch, me run on fine. Rich bitch, Ocha. Come on. Hello. Yes, my dear.
Ow! Jump scare.
Alright, guys. It's time to fix this, guys. Oh, I brought a blow dryer, but not God. In my van. Then again, it really matters to me because I have mine, but whatever. Tell me why I wear it right now. We're kind of rushing because we don't gonna get left, but big up time, Shanita, everyone at the dance. Yeah, I get a little pick up. Whatever.
So you don't have to drive none at all.
Thank you, Jesus.
Amen.
So we can just in a me cozy slipper. She a real good. Sweetheart! Me love how your teeth white.
What the first one made me say? The first one. I don't know why Shelby made me know this man because I randomly searched his TikTok to just listen to him.
His fingernail.
Cozy.
Feel like him dark in a real life.
Bro, he's not even a real person. I see the comment. They must say Jamaica Unleashed your character.
Every minute, bro.
like, we have Candy. I don't know where she even spawned from.
I have no idea. I'm trying to buy a girl.
Listen, my makeup needs to be done properly. You hear me?
We are trying to buy a girl, please.
Wake me up! Wake me up! Say man.
Yeah. Oh. I love soca, we rich. Right here. My hair looks like absolute. Look at me here.
It's giving kinky straight.
But like, it's fine. I'll fix it tomorrow. Jamaican. Yeah.
What's up?
Let's say hey, body to my left, body to my right. good time, but we had a ball. I feel like I stepped on something. Bye. Good morning. It's breakfast. Lost track of time, but
the last time I come here, me eat hash browns and his I never find breakfast, Miguel.
I don't know, girl. Can't bother. The aftermath. I did a terrible job at vlogging today, but I did what I could, and I could what I did. At least I'll get something. You understand? Why are you jamming so slow? What's wrong with you?
You be chulo.
Yeah. Virgin. Mango daiquiri. Yeah, man.
Virgin.
Too much rum drinking, bro.
Yeah, like
too much.
get some vitamin C now, no system.
Yeah, do something before something do now. Right? Right.
Well, best weekend ever. I know when I collect little goodies because I Shelby.
I never know, so we couldn't collect tomorrow. I never know. I think we could have collect tomorrow. If I had that information, I would have gone back. My dear. But yeah, why are we in traffic? I mean, I don't know how to answer that.
That's your shit right there.
I hope it tastes better than it looks.
And this is mine because I'm smart.
I mean, I don't really like bread, so there's that.
I'm sure it tastes good as well.
Alright. Not bad, man, you.
Bad man, yeah.
Is it AJ? Well, guys, this is our last day here. So I'm gonna pack my stuff and then we're gonna figure out like what time to go to Zimi. Yeah, when we leave here to go to Zimi, we're literally just packing every single thing, and after Zimi done, me I go right back to Kingston. I'm not gonna lie, like this was so chaotic. I keep wanting to say like I'm doing a man's job, but like oh my god, definitely was. But yeah, this angle is not cute and so many people are in here and have anxiety, so I'll talk to you guys a little later.
There's a video?
Yes. What's wrong with you?
I'm just a girl. I keep asking, am I your boy? Like, maybe. I act like a girl. And I don't. I'm in my feminine energy.
Alright. Bye, y'all. Zimi Beach.
Alright.
And a lot of times we end up listening to what Zimi says. So I listened today and I am at the beach. Right. 3, 5, 4, 7, 2, 1, 1, on. So where is the people in here as me roll?
You can't even see us from here.
You can.
Let's get it started.
Bro, I can see all the blemishes in my face. I can see everything.
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.
So have you been videoing this weekend?
I have. Good morning. Remember how I said we were supposed to check out yesterday, which was supposed to be Sunday? It's Monday, and we're still in OT. It's Monday, and we are still in OT. Not gonna lie, last night it took so long to leave Zimi. My phone died. Like, it was just so chaotic. I had plugged in my phone for like 2 hours, and when I got in the car I realized my phone was on 20%, which means either something's wrong with my charger or I don't know, but that really pissed me off. Oh, this breeze is strong. But yeah, we did check out of the hotel yesterday, but luckily we had a friend that had a villa, and like I said, we weren't supposed to stay, but it was late and everybody drunk, and they were like, hey man, you can stay. So I'm like, all right, cool, I'll just chill out today and go back to Kingston. I'm not really interested in going to any more events. I haven't gotten a chance to sit down and debrief and talk to you guys about anything, and I just realized that I don't know how to use 2 devices at a time. This camera, I'm not gonna lie, was like the best thing I got right before my birthday to just capture every single thing. Unfortunately, I didn't get anything from my birthday night because I forgot the blasted camera at home. But what happened for my birthday night, we ended up going to this party named Seashells that Neil keep. Then we left there, went to Ribbies, then we left Ribbies and went to Taboo, and I got home at 6:30 a.m. Did I have a time? A time was had, so that was that. And then I had no intentions of coming to best weekend ever. I had plans, or I wanted to go to Zimi Beach, and that was all I wanted to do. You know, the Lord blessed us with season buns and hotel, and yeah, that's how that happened. And I had to be a big girl and drive because we couldn't get a ride. So yeah, I felt like I had to be a little more responsible. I could be as free as I normally am, especially with the liquor. But I'm not necessarily mad about it. Like, the only night that I was shit-faced, like drunk, was ilovesoca night. Boy, I know something about that night. I was on the floor, passed out when we got back to the hotel. Which other party we go? Daybreak? I didn't enjoy Daybreak. I was just hot. I was just irritated. He's got pop. What else happened? I don't know. I just never really enjoyed it. Zimi? Yeah, Zimi will always be seeing me. I enjoyed that so much. Even though it was rum, hot, jam packed. This is Zimi will see me. Now, unfortunately, we didn't get any best weekend ever bags because I didn't know that Saturday was the last day that we could have redeemed it. We were literally at the venue after Daybreak, but because we had the heels and we had to walk so far, my heels popped. Like, I didn't even want to come out, so I thought in my head that we could come back the next morning and redeem. Only when we reached back here, it was like, we can't. Like, I didn't know that. So yeah. So yeah, currently at Marina Villa. I low-key, actually I don't even know if I want to do that. I was thinking about going to the beach because there's a beach down the sun. I low-key just want to go home. I miss Enzo. Enzo stay with Shanita for the weekend. I miss my doggy. I miss my doggy. I'm very grateful for this summer. Like, this summer was one for the books. I was truly outside. I've never been this outside in my entire life. And I decided I was going to make the executive decision to be outside this summer. Invite me everywhere. I'm coming. I'm down. But as the summer is ending, it is August. Why the summer? I don't know, but I think me so done with the summer because it's a lot. Like this weekend really took me out. I need to get back to reality. I need to go do some laundry. I need to clean my apartment. I need to go pay my bills. Jesus, please, guys, tell me why. When I went to Ochi, I think I was in Ochi last weekend. It's after Public Beach. Tell me why I came back home 2 days later. My AC was on. Bro, I wanted to vomit. I literally came in, turned off the AC, and I went to sleep immediately because me just did stress out because me imagine the bill. Anyways, bro, like that is a problem for another day. Probably for another day, man. It is what it is. I really wanted this vlog to be a little more cinematic. I'm sure the amount of content I have, I will have to break this vlog up into like 3. Sorry guys, my hair blew off the place. I'm not really look my best right now, but whatever. Yeah, I'll probably have to break this vlog up into 3. I'll possibly have to do the first part of the vlog, which was everything before the birthday. Then I'll have to do the Republic Beach stuff, plus the beach trip stuff, plus my birthday. And then may have to do a whole vlog with this best weekend ever thing because I cannot imagine how much content. Like, I don't know how much content I have. I thank God that I got a hard drive. So when I get home, I just need to lock in. I have been gone for too long. I have been just trying to navigate life. I am in a very, I don't know, kind of state right now. Like, I'm not sad. This is one of the happiest I've been in a while. But at the same time, I still feel a little bit, I don't really feel lost, but it's like I'm still trying to figure out a lot of things in life.
Oh, you're awake?
Yeah, I've been up.
What?
Yeah, I've been up. Now update the vlog.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're up.
I am. Wait, do it again. The best weekend is finished. The best weekend ever. It's done. I came back last night. I was over it. I couldn't vlog anymore. I was so over it. I think the last thing I was telling you guys was when I was sitting on the porch. So after that, we ended up making breakfast and going to the beach and then the pool and then took a nap. And by the time I got up, it was time to get out of OG. So yeah, that's what happened. Came back last night and I went to bed. I felt so good coming back. I felt like I was homesick. I was so over the partying and like my social battery was properly drained. So yeah, I'm gonna rejuvenate myself right now, starting with taking up the sewing. I've had it. It's been like a month. I can't do it anymore. So yeah, I'm going to Cheryl right now for her to cut them out, and hopefully she has time to wash my hair. Hopefully. My hair won't cream actually, but I think I can wait. I think I can wait that out. We'll see. If it is possible for me to get my hair relaxed today, that would be amazing. But if not, then that's all right too. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys a little later. I don't know if this is where I want to close out the vlog or I don't know. I don't know yet. So yeah,